Welcome back to VideoDB Daily, your quick dive into AI and video infrastructure. Today, we're going to be exploring Google's latest release, PaliGemma 2 Mix. It's a vision language model that's causing quite a stir. Now, PaliGemma, it's what we call a multitask model, meaning you can handle a variety of jobs related to images and text. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for AI, but instead of blades and screwdrivers, it's equipped with the ability to understand and interpret visual and textual information. What's even more impressive is that PaliGemma 2 Mix is actually built upon the existing PaliGemma 2. However, this new version has been carefully refined for practical, everyday uses, Hordy, making it more accessible, and potentially game-changing for various industries. And it comes in different sizes too, 3B, 10B, and 28B parameters. And it can handle different image resolutions too. What does that mean for you? Well, depending on your specific needs and the complexity of the tasks, you can choose the version that best suits your project. Okay, let's get to the exciting part. What can this thing actually do? But from what we've seen in the demos, it can tackle some pretty amazing tasks. They demonstrated its object detection capabilities. You upload a picture, and instantly you can identify multiple objects in it. A sofa, a table, a chair. And remember when I mentioned practical uses? Well, get this, it can even handle OCR. Reading text from complex images like invoices. How much time could that save businesses? But the wow factor doesn't stop there. This model can also nail image captioning. The demo showed it accurately describing a cow on a beach, near a warning sign, and how often do you see it? And if you're dealing with image editing or analysis, you'll be interested to know that PaliGemma 2 Mix can even segment images. They showed it isolating a cat from its background accurately. Now, before you rush off thinking into some sort of AI magic bullet, we do need to talk about some limitations. PaliGemma 2 Mix, while impressive, isn't perfect. It excels at specific tasks, yes, but it does have some quirks. For instance, it can struggle with more general image description questions. Those, what does this image show? Type questions. The responses it gave tended to be a bit repetitive, not offering much insight beyond simply listing the objects it identified. And as with many AI models, performance can vary. It really depends on the task at hand, the quality of the image, and even the specific wording of the text input. So how does it all work? Well, the YouTube video did give us a glimpse into its architecture. It uses something called an image encoder, which essentially translates the image into a format that the language model can understand. Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to describe a beautiful sunset to someone who's been blind from birth. You have to break it down. The vibrant colors, the shapes of the clouds, the feeling of warmth on your skin. That's kind of what the image encoder does. It takes all the visual data from the image and converts it into a language that the AI can then process. Then this data, along with any text input you provide, is fed into the PaliGemma 2 language model. This is like the brain of the operation, crunching all that information, and ultimately generating the text output you see, whether that's labels for objects in the image, a caption describing the scene, or even text extracted from the image itself. Now, if you're intrigued and want to explore PaliGemma 2 Mix further, you're in luck, because it's available on a Hugging Face. And if you prefer working within the Google ecosystem, you can also access it through Google AI. For all the developers and coding enthusiasts out there, they've even made notebooks available with code examples to help you get started. So if you're working on any project that involves images and text, whether it's for analyzing video content, automating tasks, or even creating something entirely new, PaliGemma 2 Mix might just be the tool you've been waiting for. So there you have it. That's PaliGemma 2 Mix in a nutshell, a powerful tool with a lot of potential for anyone working at the intersection of AI, images, and text. It'll be interesting to see how developers and researchers leverage its multitask capabilities to create innovative solutions. And I'm particularly excited to see how this technology might be applied in the field of video infrastructure. That's it for today's VideoDB Daily. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to check back tomorrow for more insights and updates. Until then, keep innovating.